If you're currently job hunting and you're based in the UK, US, or anywhere in the EU, I found a job search platform that is absolutely unbelievable. I personally used them about 2 years ago when I was searching for a job, and I think you should know about them as well. First, they get to set up a profile for you by themselves, so you don't just directly sign up and have access to start applying for jobs. You provide basic information, including your CV and maybe a link to your LinkedIn profile if you have one, which they then use to set up the profile for you to have access and start applying for jobs. Two things that really stand out about this company. One, they connect you directly with the people working in the company, like the CEO, the CTO, the hiring managers, and you're not dealing with, external recruitment agencies in any way. And of course, if you're sending a message to them, you're sure the message is being read by people in the company, the people actually hiring, and most times the steps are also very clear on the different stages of the recruitment process to finally get the job. Also, they have a really interesting filter options, and you can specifically filter for jobs with sponsorship. So if you are looking for a job that can sponsor your stay, then this platform is for you. Well, enough talk, let's get into it. It's better to use a computer for this so you can have a better view. Of course, you can also do it with your phone, but I'm using a computer here. So go to your browser and type cord.co. That's a cord.co. It will open the website, which looks like this. Of course, you can scroll down just to see what it looks like, and I believe they have about us section and some other information about the company, which you can read if you want to. Then the next thing, you want to go to the right here and click get started. Follow the steps here, provide all the information they need. They'll go ahead and set up an account for you. When you have access, then when you're signed in, you should see something like this. This is what my landing page looks like, because again, I have an account with them. So it's by default, it shows the number of positions that you may like. So there are about 280 here, and of course it also matches my profile. That's why you're seeing senior product engineer, software engineer, and all of that, because again, I'm in the tech field. So what you can do now is you want to go to search positions. So there are different categories, different job titles here. You can go look for the one that matches your skills, and the skills here where you can see different positions and all of that, and all the companies that are currently employing and the different industries. So depending on the industries that matches your skill, you can go ahead and search, and you can also see the number of positions that are open. The interesting thing here is that for each of the jobs posted here, you can see something called the percentage responsiveness. So you can see this is like 69%. So it means if you contact this company, there's 69% chance that they will send a response to you, and you want to look for the ones that have 100% here. So you can see 100%, it means they are always they'll always respond to your message. And there's like you can see how many days ago they were active on Cord, and the same thing as well applies to other platforms. And you can see this one was active just 24 minutes ago. Something as well down. But if we open any of the jobs posted here, you can see the company has its profile here, and you can see like response in 4 days. So this one responds in 4 days. You can see the number of requests they currently have and all the conversations that they have that they've started about this job. And you can see all the information here, including the salary. So this is like 55k to 65k. And the tech stack and everything is very clear as well. Again, this is also for people that are in the tech field. And if you scroll all the way down, you see what the interview process looks like. So it's very clear. To get started, you'll be a 30 minutes call, and then the next one you'll have call with the engineering managers, and after that there will be the final interview. If I'm interested in this job now, you can see there are some buttons here. I can, if I say it's not right or if I say it's right, and there's a button here that I can click on it to send a message to them. But because my profile is that I'm not looking for a job at the moment, that's why I cannot click on it. So if I cancel these and click here, you notice that my profile is hidden as well because I'm currently not looking for a job. But you can go ahead and do that. So if we go back to the search feature up here, I just searched without typing anything. Of course, you can type whatever job position you are looking for. Then they have all these interesting filters with the job titles, the locations, the experience level, the skill, the minimum salary. So you can use all of these to like filter based on what matches your skill and what you're looking for. The interesting thing here is that there is the filter option up here where I can click on it and select any of these, use any of these to filter. And what I just want to show here is that there is one that says offer visa sponsorship. So if I click on this now, it means I want to get only the jobs that offer visa sponsorship. So I can then scroll down. So all these jobs, it means they offer visa sponsorships, different roles. And these are all tech roles because, you know, that's my field and that's why I'm seeing this. So it may be different for people in other fields. So you can see there are currently 33 positions that offer job that offers sponsorships, and you can also see the amount here. This is 50k to 100k, 60k to 100k for the different roles. I think that's what I really like about this, the transparency, and everything is really clear, so you know exactly what the requirements are, and you can clearly see there if it's a match or not. And always, if you send a message to them, you are very sure you will get a response and you get to follow up from there. I really like the platform, and that's why I'm highly recommending it. So again, if you click on this, you can see the people working in the company. You can see when last they responded, and you can see here on the logistics and all that, base salary, employment type, remote working, and the visa sponsorship is available here. So if your skill matches any of these, you go ahead and shoot them a message, and you can see all the company benefits and what the process would look like. So 20 minutes call with the hiring lead, skill interview, and everything. And then you can go ahead and send a message to them if that works for you. So that's it on this. It's a really nice platform, and that's why I'm highly recommending them for people that are looking for a job who are based in the UK, the US, or anywhere in the EU.